Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Excel on any Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or desktop in 2026. By the time you finish watching this guide, Microsoft Excel will be properly installed on your computer and ready for use. Also, if you are getting errors while installing, then this video is for you, because I will also show you where you may get any error and how to solve that. In this tutorial, we will only use official tools provided by Microsoft. This keeps the process safe and reliable. You will not need to download anything from random or unsafe websites. Just follow each step carefully and you will be able to install Excel without any trouble. If this guide helps you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Now let's begin with the installation process. The first thing we need to do is check if an older version of Microsoft Office is already installed on the computer. Having more than one Office version installed can sometimes cause installation problems. To check this, open Settings on your computer. Next, click on Apps and then open Installed Apps. You will now see a list of all programs installed on your system. Scroll through the list and look for Microsoft Office or any Office-related application. If you find an older version, click on it and choose Uninstall. Follow the instructions on the screen to remove it completely from your computer before moving to the next step. Once that's done, we can move on to downloading the tools required for installing Microsoft Excel. Open your web browser and go to the search bar. Search for Office Deployment Tool. Open the first result from Microsoft's official website. This tool is provided directly by Microsoft and is used to install Office applications in a customized way. On the download page, choose your preferred language and download the tool. A small setup file will begin downloading. While that file downloads, open a new browser tab and search for Office Customization Tool. Open the official Microsoft page from the search results. This tool helps us configure exactly which Office applications we want to install. When the page loads, the first thing you need to select is the architecture of your computer. You will see two options, 32-bit and 64-bit. If you are not sure which one your system uses, there is an easy way to check. Open the Start menu and search for System Information, then open it. Inside this window, look for the option called System Type. It will tell you whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. After checking, return to the Office Customization Tool page and select the correct option for your system. Next, go to the Office Suite section and choose Office Professional Plus 2024. Now scroll down to the Applications list. You will notice that several Office apps are selected by default. Since we only want to install Microsoft Excel, uncheck all other applications and leave only Excel selected. This will make the installation faster and will save storage space because only Excel will be installed. After that, scroll down to the Language section and choose the language you want to use from Microsoft Excel. Once you have selected the language, click Next. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Last section. Scroll again and click Finish. You will now see an option called Export. Click on it and select Office Open XML formats. Accept the agreement. Leave file name as it is and then click Export again. This will download the second file required for the installation. When both files are downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Now copy both files. Next, go to your C drive. Here, create a new folder. Name it as Excel or anything you like. Open the folder and paste both files here. Now make sure the file is named only as configuration. If there is any number or anything else, remove that. You might notice the .exe at the end of this file name. It appears because I have the file name extensions option enabled in Windows. When this option is turned on, Windows shows the full file extensions such as .exe, .txt, or .jpg. If I turn this option off, the .exe part disappears and only the file name is visible. You can enable or disable this setting anytime from the View options in File Explorer. The main point is if you don't see the .exe at the end of the file name, there's nothing to worry about. It simply means the file name extensions option is turned off on your system. After that, run the setup file. Accept the agreement and continue. The tool will ask where you want to extract the files. Choose the same Excel folder that we created in the C drive. The program will now extract all the required installation files into that folder. Once the extraction is finished, we are ready for the final step. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt. Make sure to choose Run as Administrator. If you don't do it, it will give error while running installation command. When Command Prompt opens here, type CD and add a space. Now return to the Excel folder. Click on the address bar at the top of the folder window and copy the folder path. Go back to the Command Prompt window. Then paste the folder path you copied. Press Enter. This command tells the system to move the command prompt into that folder. Next, type the command required to begin the installation and press Enter. You can see an error is coming. This error comes when configuration files is not named correctly, so let me check. You can see there is a space after the name. I will remove it and run installation command again. You can see problem is solved and Microsoft Excel has now started installing on your computer. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so just wait until the installation finishes. When the installation is complete, close the Setup window. Now open the Start menu and search for Microsoft Excel. Click on it to open the program. If I go to Settings, you can see I am getting activation error. Let me fix that. You can activate this using Microsoft Official Product Key. There is also a free method, but that is against YouTube policies. I cannot share you here, and that's it. You have successfully installed Microsoft Excel on your computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy and helpful tech guides.